Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to connect Twilio with HubSpot using the official integration method. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install the integration, connect your accounts securely, configure permissions, and customize the setup based on your business needs. So with that said, let's get started. Thinking about connecting Twilio with HubSpot but not sure where to begin? In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the official way to seamlessly integrate Twilio with your HubSpot account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get everything talking to each other, letting you power up your marketing, sales, or support workflows with automated SMS, calls, and more. Ready to boost your business communication? Let's jump right in. So first up, we're going to use the official Twilio app from the app marketplace. Why this method? Well, it's not only the recommended approach, but it's also the most reliable and feature-rich way to connect Twilio and HubSpot. You might see other options out there, but the official app tends to get the latest updates, support from both platforms, and importantly, less headache later down the line. To get started, head over to your HubSpot account. Look towards the top of the screen and find the Marketplace icon. It's that little orange shopping bag you've probably seen before. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select App Marketplace. The Marketplace is like HubSpot's one-stop shop for integrations, so keep in mind there's a lot in here, but today we'll focus just on Twilio. In the search bar, type in Twilio and look for the official app. It'll usually be published by HubSpot themselves or directly by Twilio. That's important. Some third-party apps might pop up, but for stability and ongoing support, go with the official listing. If you already have the Twilio app listing page handy, you can jump straight there, but searching works just as well. When you find the right app, click Install App. At this point, HubSpot will guide you step by step, prompting you to approve permissions. Sometimes you'll see a list explaining what the app can access. Think of it like handing over the keys for these two platforms to work together. Pause here for a second and take a look. It's normal for integrations to ask for access to data like contacts or communication logs so everything can sync properly. If you're ever unsure, you can review the documentation for details, but generally HubSpot and Twilio are careful about user privacy. Once you've accepted the permissions, you're redirected to a connection screen. This is where you'll need your Twilio account SID and auth token. Now, if you're not familiar, these are basically your account's unique identifiers and secure password, letting HubSpot safely connect to your Twilio workspace. You'll find both in your Twilio console dashboard. If it's your first time seeing these, don't worry. They're right there on the main page when you log into Twilio. Carefully copy and paste each code into the fields in HubSpot, taking your time. Maybe double check for typos. Think of it as making sure you've dialed the right number. If an error pops up, just check that you used the correct credentials. It happens, and you can try again. After connecting your accounts, you'll land on Setup options. Here's where you can really tailor things to your business. For instance, you can choose which Twilio phone numbers your HubSpot team will use. Super handy if you're managing multiple lines for sales, support, or marketing. You'll also be able to set user permissions, deciding who in your HubSpot account can trigger SMS or calls. And finally, configure default logging behavior. Tell HubSpot how to record Twilio activity, ensuring you have a clear record for future reference or reporting. If you're not sure about which numbers or permissions to set, think about your workflow. Maybe marketing only needs SMS privileges, but support needs both calls and texts. You can always come back and tweak these settings as you learn what works best. And remember, setting up good logging now means less confusion later when you need to track communication history. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Finish, and just like that, Twilio and HubSpot are integrated. Congrats, you've just unlocked a new level of automation and communication for your business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to drop any questions or tips in the comment section below. I love hearing what's working for you. Subscribe if you want more tutorials just like this.